Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at the VetiFlow dog water fountain, a device the company claims will keep your pet's water cleaner and safer thanks to a triple defense system that supposedly stops slimy buildup. It sounds revolutionary, but let's be real. Triple defense is a term usually reserved for deodorant or a failing football strategy. While a clean fountain for your pup sounds great on paper, we decided to dig a little deeper to see if this thing is actually a miracle or just a plastic bucket with a marketing budget. The first red flag is their website reviews, which are so polished and positive they make a Disney movie look gritty. They feel about as real as a $3 bill. So we checked Trustpilot and found a depressing 2-star rating where almost every review is a horror story. Customers describe the device as a total scam and the return process as a nightmare. Apparently, you have to ship returns back to China at your own expense, which conveniently costs more than the fountain itself. It's a bold business model. Pay us for the privilege of taking our garbage back. Moving on to the second red flag, the fake media mentions. Their site proudly displays logos for NBC, Fox, and Animal Planet, yet there isn't a single link or clip to prove they were ever featured. I'm sure Animal Planet is just waiting for the right moment to air that segment. Then there's the expert endorsement from a Dr. Sarah Mitchell. The only problem? The photo actually belongs to a completely different person, Dr. Molly Carlin Bonner. Nothing builds consumer confidence quite like a doctor suffering from a severe case of identity theft. If the fake doctor didn't scare you off, the high-pressure sales tactics definitely should. We're talking 50% discounts, only a few units left, and countdown timers that never seem to end. It's the classic playbook for sketchy drop-shipping sites that don't want you to think for a single second before you click buy. They also love using dramatic terms like biofilm matrix and 8-hour biofilm window. It all sounds very intense, but biofilm matrix sounds more like a low-budget sci-fi movie starring a very confused Keanu Reeves than actual science. In the end, between the manufactured reviews, the identity-swapping doctors, and the imaginary media features, it's impossible to call this product trustworthy. With so many unhappy customers saying the fountain doesn't even work, it's clearly not the safe or reliable choice for your furry friend. If you actually care about your dog's hydration, stick to a brand that's transparent and supported by experts who actually exist in the real world. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.